Do I need a GFCI outlet? Can I hide the cords?
Are TOTO WASHLET bidet seats easy to install?
Please follow these important steps to ensure your washlet or washlet plus model is properly installed. Before starting, you will need the following tools: a wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a ground fault 120 volt outlet within 3 feet of the toilet. Close the water shutoff valve and flush the toilet. Unscrew the water supply hose connection. Place a small container or sponge below the water supply hose to catch any excess water. Your washlet comes with one of these two T-connectors. Brass T-connector will require an adjustable wrench to be tightened. Plastic T-connector will require finger tightening only. Do not apply plumber's tape to the threads of the T-connector or the tank inlet valve. Verify the rubber cone washer is present in the water supply line thumb nut. Tighten the water supply line to the T-connector. To ease the tightening of T-connector, TOTO also offers an extension adapter to help attach the T-connector and water supply line. Remove the old seat. Clean the surface around the mounting holes to ensure your new washlet bidet seat aligns properly. Rest your washlet model on the bowl. For washlet models, rest the cord outside of the bowl. For washlet plus models, insert the cords into the hole. Insert compression sleeves in the mounting holes. Use water to help slip them into the mounting holes. Your washlet will come with one of these two base plate options: a base plate with metal adjustment tabs or plastic adjustment tabs. Set the adjustment tabs into the base plate grooves. The arrows on the adjustment tabs can be pointing outward or inward, depending on the distance between the mounting holes on your toilet. Center the base plate over the mounting holes, with the back part of the base plate closest to the toilet tank. And tighten the screws snugly, but loose enough to make adjustments later. Carefully slide your washlet model onto the base plate until you hear a click. If adjustments are needed, simply press the release button on the side of your washlet. Loosen and adjust. Recheck the alignment. Then tighten the screws and remount. Make sure you hear the washlet click into place. Install water supply line into T-connector, ensuring it is straight and fully inserted. Then slide the connector nut over it and securely hand tighten. Ensure the water supply line is not kinked and no tools are used to tighten the connector nut. Turn the water shutoff valve back on. Plug the electrical cord into the GFCI outlet. Set up your remote control by inserting 2 batteries. Press the power button and select your language. Do a trial run to ensure your washlet is working properly. Gently apply pressure to the washlet seat in the 10 o'clock position. Press the rear cleansing button and wait patiently for the wand to extend. Make sure you have a container to catch spraying water and press the stop button. If your washlet is not working properly, please call us right away for assistance at 1-888-295-8134. Our expert service team will gladly help you and answer any questions.